All right guys, we're out here in the wilderness. We got this bad boy installed as you saw in the last video, and we're just gonna take it for a little rip and we're gonna talk about it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Hopefully you can hear me because I have my dirt bike helmet on and that's not set up for the mic that I use. Anyway, let's go see what this thing sounds like. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, guys, the baffles are removed, and as you can hear, it's pretty loud. But now I can power wheelie. I highly recommend you get an exhaust system for your WR. Sounds fucking good. As you guys can tell, she sounds great. Anyway, that's what the GPR exhaust sounds like. No dB killer on the WR250R. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.